National Alliance on Mental Illness says nearly half of people with mental health conditions go without treatment, afraid of either the stigma or that they just can't afford the care.
Well, Consumer Reporter Heather Sullivan has some smart sense on how to find care, including for those without insurance, which is key here.
Yeah, a lot of good options. The American Psychological Association reports that the demand for mental health treatment has continued to increase. So I'm going to show you some of the resources available, including for those who have no insurance, and how to find help.
I had a lot of pressure put on me, both from my parents and then eventually myself in a very competitive high school. And when things got too bad, I didn't know where to turn, and my thoughts turned to ideations of suicide.
But Matt Bracco says counseling through Newport Healthcare, which helps young adults with depression, anxiety, and substance abuse, changed his life.
And it made me realize that being happy is the most important thing.
No matter what the mental health condition, the Harris Center for Mental Health offers services for all ages throughout Harris County for anyone, regardless of their ability to pay.
As far as for uninsured, we make it incredibly open access. We want to make sure that we don't turn anyone away.
The Harris Center offers all types of care, psychiatry, nursing, therapy, both in person and through telehealth.
They can either call our access line at 713-970-7000 and get information there. They can even schedule an appointment there, or they can walk into one of our 4 main clinics.
And there are many other resources available as well.
Psychology Today is a great resource for folks. You can simply go on and type in sort of what you're looking for and get connected to a therapist. You can also send messages directly through that website. So it makes it really accessible. The other option is you can always call your insurance company and ask what available resources are in your sort of community.
You can also find free services.
There's a lot of support groups and nonprofits that exist. And again, that can be simply found by just Googling.
If you feel just the slightest bit that you're not okay, please get help. I promise it'll be better.
And the Harris Center operates the National Suicide Lifeline hotline for this region. So that number, if you are having trouble, is 988.
All right, Heather, and I know, like, with my parent-to-parent segments, we've done so much on mental health, and there's just so many resources available people don't know about.
There really are, and so what I've done is I've put together a list of them with links and phone numbers. It's all on Sullivan Smart Sense on fox26houston.com. A lot of it is even specific if you're a veteran or in the LGBTQ community, so you can find help no matter what your issue is.
That's great to know, Heather. Thanks so much. Now you can also take your phone out and scan this QR code, and it's going to take you right to the page on our website that covers mental health resources. We're focusing on issues surrounding mental health throughout the month of May.